Have you ever thought about the easiest way to put your money to work? Then you're at the right place. Welcome to kuber.club, where investing is as easy as scrolling, swiping, and finding the right investment match for you. SLP stands for Systematic Lending Plans. SLPs are a way to invest a fixed amount regularly. It circulates to credible borrowers and the money comes back with interest. Every month or day, a fixed amount is invested from your bank account into a third-party escrow account, which is easily accessible by you. At kuber.club, we believe your finances are your choice. We have a variety of investment schemes waiting just for you. Whether you want to earn a second income or create wealth, we are a one-stop investment solution. Why should you try this out? Well, for starters, it's an easy way to dip your toes into the world of investments from your phone and earn up to 14% per annum returns, beating inflation every time. We take care of your finances so that you can enjoy life with a Freedom Wali vibe. Your money deserves a VIP treatment. And at kuber.club, we are here to make that happen. Click the link and embrace the Freedom Wali vibe at your side.